Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm gonna show you how to change your Simpin on your Motorola Moto G82 because, well, this might be helpful if you have to restart your phone again, and when that happens and you're not at home and you don't remember your Simpin, you might want to change it to an easier one so you can remember it and then start your phone again in an emergency situation kind of thing. So yeah, for that we're going to our settings, go to security. You want to then go to SIM card lock SIM card, require PIN to use your phone. You should always have that on so no random person can access your phone, or like not access your phone, but like if it's down or you have to restart it, then no one can use it when they don't have your PIN, and that is pretty important because you don't want anyone to get to your phone. When you now click on change SIM PIN, you have to put in your old SIM PIN first. Warning, your device will be locked after multiple incorrect attempts. So put in your old SIM PIN and then put in your new SIM PIN. Retype your new SIM PIN and then SIM PIN changed successfully. So now when you have to restart your phone again, you use your new SIM card PIN. That's how you change it. Then you can just go back, and if you ever have to restart your phone, put in your SIM PIN and then you're back. Hope it helped. Hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.